Vietnam is a disaster-prone area, the effects of which are severe. Owing to the devastating events that have occurred in the past, the need for homes which can withstand them became essential. The Blooming Bamboo Home is a multi-functional, flood-proof home designed by H&P Architects through simple methods of construction which can confront the effects of even a 5-feet-high flood. As the name suggests, the home extensively uses bamboo for construction. It has a strong structure that can be built according to the local climate and materials, and also rebuilt in 25 days by the dwellers in case of extreme damage. Additionally, the home provides warmth in case of a calamity, is cost-effective and contributes to ecological sustainability. Vietnamese studio H&P Architects has built a prototype bamboo house designed to withstand floods up to 3 meters above ground. Blooming Bamboo Home. In Vietnam, the natural phenomena are severe and various: storm, flood, sweeping floods, landslides, drought. The damage every year, which is considerable compared to the world scale, takes away about 500 persons and 1.2% GDP equally assets and reduces the involved area's development. One solution to houses and homes for millions of these people is the goal of this Blooming Bamboo Home. From the bamboo module of f8 f10 cm and f4 f5 cm diameter and 3.3 meter or 6.6 length, each house is simply assembled with bolting, binding, hanging, placing. H&P Architects used tightly packed rows of bamboo cane to build the walls, floors and roof of the Blooming Bamboo Home, along with bamboo wattle, fiberboard and coconut leaves. Elevated on stilts, the house is accessed using wooden ladders that lead to small decks around the perimeter. The area beneath can be used for keeping plants and animals, but would allow water to pass through in the event of a flood. The walls fold outwards to ventilate the building, plus sections of the roof can be propped open or completely closed, depending on the weather. Inside, living and sleeping areas occupy the main floor, and ladders lead up to attic spaces that can be used for study or prayer. The vernacular structure can be assembled in as little as 25 days and adapted to suit varying local climates and sites. It has been designed as a house, but could also be used as a school classroom, medical facility or community center. The house can keep people warm in the most severe conditions and help them control activities in the future, also contributing to ecological development as well as economic stabilization, said the architects. Suspended sections of bamboo can be filled with plants to create a vertical garden on the facade. At night, interior lighting shines through the cracks in the walls to make the building glow from within. This pulled monolithic architecture is strong enough to suffer from phenomena like 1.5-meter high flood. Currently, H&P Architects is experimenting the model to suffer 3-meter high flood. The space is multifunctional, such as house, educational, medical and community center, and can be spread if necessary. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.